Hey, great to see you. Are you ready to move from static to smarter connected labels? Let me show you how to easily add QR codes to your current fixed label designs. Imagine the following scenario. The company Mustermann Stahl wants to add QR codes to all their current product labels. The reasons for this are to provide customers more information about their products and to create a better customer engagement. The challenge for the company is that the entire label data is hard-coded. To change the whole system would be quite costly, time-consuming, and sometimes even impossible. With our A-BRID print data converter, you can easily add a QR code to all of your labels. From the QR code, customers can access your website, see the latest marketing information, or even access databases to explore digital product passport information. The A-BRID print data converter automatically modifies the incoming fixed label data to add the new QR code on all labels, no matter which systems they are coming from. The biggest advantage of this feature is that no change is required on any of the host systems. Additionally, you don't need to be a specialist. It is super easy to adapt even with almost no programming experience. Finally, the changes are done within minutes and the solution is immediately implemented. Explore my other videos to discover all the benefits of our new platform. Don't get ready. Get started with A-BRID.